Hello and welcome to this video on the founding of Tesla Motors. Tesla Motors is a company that has disrupted the automotive industry and revolutionized the way we think about transportation. But where did it all begin? How did this company, now known for its electric cars and renewable energy products, come to be? Tesla Motors was founded in 2003 by a group of Silicon Valley engineers, including CEO Elon Musk. The company's initial focus was on developing electric sports cars, but it has since expanded its offerings to include electric sedans and SUVs. Before founding Tesla, Elon Musk had already made a name for himself as a successful entrepreneur and investor. He was one of the co-founders of PayPal, the online payment system, and had also founded SpaceX, a private space exploration company. Musk saw the potential for electric vehicles to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels and make transportation more sustainable. He gathered a team of engineers and set out to create a high-performance electric car that could compete with gasoline-powered vehicles. This was no easy task. At the time, electric cars were seen as slow and underpowered compared to their gasoline counterparts. Musk and his team set out to change this perception by creating a vehicle that was not only electric, but also fast and fun to drive. The first Tesla vehicle was the Tesla Roadster, which was released in 2008. It was a sports car that could go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, making it one of the fastest electric cars on the market at the time. The Roadster was followed by the Model S, a luxury electric sedan that was released in 2012. The Model S was a hit, winning numerous awards and becoming the best-selling electric car in the world. In 2015, Tesla released the Model X, an electric SUV with unique falcon wing doors. The Model X was followed by the Model 3, a more affordable electric sedan released in 2017. In addition to its electric vehicles, Tesla has also made a name for itself in the renewable energy industry. Products like the Tesla Powerwall, a home battery system, and solar roof tiles, which allow homeowners to generate their own solar power, have helped the company to become a leader in this field. Today, Tesla is a leading innovator in the electric vehicle and renewable energy sectors, and its products have garnered a loyal following. Its success has also helped to raise awareness and accelerate the adoption of electric and sustainable transportation solutions around the world. Thank you for watching this video on the founding of Tesla. We hope you now have a better understanding of how this innovative company came to be and how it has helped to shape the future of transportation.